Make your vibe coding session flow like a dream. Create beautiful interactive websites using your favorite vibe coding website without the hassle of going through all the prompts, changes, and iterations. This video walks you through how you can use Comet browser. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you don't already have Comet browser, you can go to perplexity.ai/comet and install the browser from this download button here and selecting your operating system. Now open your Comet browser and navigate to whichever vibe coding tool that you want to use. Here I'm going to use AI Studio. So I've opened my AI Studio and now all I have to do is open the assistant, which you can do by clicking on this assistant button on your toolbar, and you have to give the assistant an instruction to create the application that you want and to watch it, write prompts for you, make it iteration, test the app and everything. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be using, and it describes how the Comet browser assistant has to act like an AI supervisor which is responsible for designing the perfect web application. Then I've mentioned the topic of my application, that is local event discovery platform, and then I have explained it the process, which is it needs to start by writing a prompt to create the website and ensure that the prompt has all the purpose, core features, expected behavior for the product, and once the application is generated it has to thoroughly review the result, test out the layout, structure, responsiveness, user workflow and everything, and if it sees any functionality errors or inconsistency, it can prepare a refined instruction and submit it back as a prompt to create another iteration, and then after the changes are made it has to review it again, and if it sees any errors, so it should repeat the process until it feels like the application is good enough and has a polished design as well as responsiveness. And lastly, I have explained it to the assistant that after all this is completed, you can just notify me that the app has done generating. So I'm simply going to hit enter and start the process. So it has taken over the control on my website and it will start the process. Here you can see it has generated a prompt and has started the application creation process. So let's just wait for its notification now. So I got a notification that the application is now ready, and you can see the project completion summary here, and it has given me all the improvement and enhancement it has done and everything. So let's quickly just check our app. So I'm going to leave the full screen and just switch to the device, and here I can see it has created me a website for local events. If I go and check one of the events, it has all these features. Now I'll go to the next page, which is this one here, and then I have the profile option where I have my personal information, the interest notification, and I can even sign out or add my interest. So these are my saved event. I can unsave them just by clicking on that button. Pretty much it's functional and has all the features that were mentioned in the prompt, and the best part was that I didn't have to do anything. And here, coming back to the chat, I can see it has given the refinement and a long prompt for all the refinement, clearly mentioning every details, which is why the project is more functional than the usual first draft that is given by a vibe coder. So that was how you could use your Comet browser assistant to create a great functioning website with any no-code tool, and you don't even have to write long detailed prompts.